To install TeamCity, follow these steps. Download TeamCity. Visit the JetBrains TeamCity website. Download the appropriate version for your operating system. Install TeamCity. Windows. Run the exe installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install TeamCity. Linux. Extract the tarball or zip file and follow the installation steps. macOS. Extract the DMG file and drag the TeamCity server package to your applications folder. Start the server from the terminal. Configure database. TeamCity requires a database to store project data and configurations. Configure the database during the installation process. For Windows, TeamCity supports Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL, or H2. For Linux or macOS, you can choose between PostgreSQL or H2. Start TeamCity. After installation, start the TeamCity server. Alternatively, use the Windows service or macOS startup scripts based on your OS. Access TeamCity. Open a web browser and navigate to HTTP localhost 8111. Log in using the default username and password. Configure plugins and projects. Once logged in, configure your projects and integrations to set up continuous integration workflows.